I'm Coco.
And I'm Gary.
And we're taking you on
food,
entertainment,
and history.
Adventure through our hometown, Downey. Let's go.
I might eat this.
We're at Donuts, where they have Mexican pop culture inspired donuts, and I'm eating Bionicos, a famous Mexican dessert. One of our favorite places to come on the weekends is the local farmers market, where they have fresh fruits, veggies, and flowers, and everything's California grown. Downey is known for its culture of diversity, and we're here at Porto's Cuban Bakery to have some of the best coffee in town.
Cheers.
Columbia Space Center pays tribute to Downey's aerospace history.
Space exhibits and blast off.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Ate at Uncle Henry's, and they have the best sandwiches in Downey and 104 beers on tap, but I'm stuffed.
Now let's go from day to night.
We're gonna watch a movie now.
But we only have 2 tickets, sorry.